Welcome everyone, back to another simple yet informative tutorial. Today I'll be walking you through the process of integrating your Stripe account with GoHighLevel. There are a few different routes you can take to do this. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll encounter the Launchpad, where you'll find Stripe listed. Simply click on Connect, and a new window will pop up for you to log into your Stripe account. Alternatively, you can navigate to Settings and then move on to Integrations. Here too you'll find the Stripe integration. Click Continue, then navigate to Payments, and under Integrations, the Stripe option is available. Click on Connect with Stripe, the green button, and you'll be directed to log into your Stripe account, just like with the Launchpad. Continue with the integration steps, and you're all set. It's as simple as that. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for tuning into this concise tutorial. For more videos, check out our GoHighLevel Sauce playlist on our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a good day.